fellas, this is another one with me, Ben, and another simple quick mod that I did to my windshield mounting system is I got myself these adjusters. I don't know if you guys will be able to figure it out what these fellas are, but they come from GoPro mounting kits. These fellas are adjusters for the GoPro mounting brackets, and what you see here are fantastic easy adjusting knobs that I have now with me, instead of me going in with a screwdriver and or an Allen key and trying to fix things in the middle of the road. I don't even have to grab my toolkit now. It's because these fellas do that for me. Pretty easy, straightforward. There's a bit of a modification that's gone into it. I mean, these adjusters come at this length. So this is those fasteners that come with GoPro adapters. And what I did was I just took a knife like this, and heated it nicely on the flame, and then went right about there throughout, got rid of the plastic, and then the rest of the job was to just use a file to file away the rest of the bolt. I mean, I think I filed away so much, exactly so much, and so much of the plastic is gone. So that's the plastic that I'm left with, and that's the rest of the bolt that you will see once the plastic is gone, or the screw that is left. This much I have filed away with my hand saw. A simple instrument, straightforward. If you just know what you're doing, you'll be able to get rid of that in a jiffy. And that's it. So this is what has been modified into those adjusters that you see on the windshield. Straightforward, no confusions, anyone can do it. So that's 4 knobs on 4 sides and one here to keep this fellow nice and sturdy on the motorcycle. I don't want my windshield flying off every single time I have a crash. Anyways, a simple quick mod. If you guys liked it, and do give it a try, this will work like a charm on your motorcycles. Now this is not something that is an ingenious idea. Again, these fellows have been in existence on rally bikes for ages. Bikes that do long distance off-road. These kind of adjusters are what you get to see instead of the regular Allen key bolts. It's because, again, these things make the job a whole lot easier for the rider on the go to make adjustments to the windshield. I mean, do the different positioning, and just in case something comes loose, all you need to do is just tighten them quickly, instead of, you know, looking for your tool in the toolkit and all that follows, pulling things out and then putting things back in, and then putting the toolkit back into to where it belongs, and all that jazz. Any which way. So this is just about making things easy. Currently thinking of doing something to the dash. What I intend on doing is I'm going to be pulling these silver bits out. There needs to be a bit of a heating that I'll have to do very, very carefully so that I don't start cracking the plastic, and then pull these silver bits out. They're stuck with the tape, I believe, and then kind of change the color, paint it matte black, and then put them back in. That'll make the whole dash look a lot more prettier. I like things monochromatic, monotone. I don't like colors, a lot of them, so I'm definitely going to try that. I would have loved it if the needles were also white. Anyways, that's a Royal Enfield product, so I don't want to blame anyone for the design. Of course, the design of the motorcycle is just kick-ass, so it's all right if bits and pieces are left for the owner to customize. And it's always something that will keep you busy in the process, wouldn't it? You will enjoy the ownership a lot more if you can, you know, go in and make tweaks and make things a little more personal. So that was another video on a quick mod, and I hope you guys liked it. Give it a try. Not much of a deal. Anyone can do it. Be a little precise with the fabrication part of it so that it looks nice on the motorcycle. Just don't go a little too hasty with it and spoil the way it looks. Of course it will be functionally alright, but do not make a mess of the job that it starts looking a little too ugly. So that's a simple mod coming to an end. Give it a try, and let me know in the comment section if you guys liked it. So that's it for now. We'll see you on another one, something very interesting. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.